Under the channel option in your Creator Studio, we have a few more options to go through. Upload defaults. This makes uploading videos a lot more efficient. So you'll want to set your defaults, such as the category that your video is. So for example, for my channel, I'd probably put my channel category under education. For license, typically you'll want to put standard YouTube license unless all the videos that you're putting on YouTube you're allowing other people to use, and that would be under Creative Commons. For a title, I usually leave this default blank unless you are just doing a series of videos. And for example, at the end of every video, you say episode 1 or whatever. And so maybe you would have this so that at the end of every title, it's already, when you click upload and you start uploading a video, this is already the title. So you can quickly just change this to 2, 3, etc. I do highly suggest changing your description for every video, especially those first few lines, to make sure that it's attention grabbing for people searching for your videos. But at the bottom of your description, you might want to include things like links to your website, calls to action, more information, perhaps information just about your channel to include a few more keywords in there. So definitely add that to your description. Same with tags. For example, with this channel, every time I upload a video, I'll probably want to include the tag Phil's Finances. So I'll add that tag with a comma. Perhaps I'll want to put my own name in there as well. Perhaps personal finance. So these are tags that will appear on every video, and rather than having to type them out every time, I might put these 3. It's important to make your tags specific to the video, so don't include every single tag. For example, I wouldn't include things like early retirement, minimalism, because some of my videos might not be about those. And yes, I could quickly delete those when I'm uploading the video, but it might be easier for me just to add specific keywords depending on what the video is about. I would definitely include the video language for whatever you're speaking so that it's all automated. For caption certification, typically you'll want to just choose this content has never aired on television in the US unless something is different. Video location, this is something that I actually don't include, but if you want to put a video location, say you're in one area, you can make this and then people are able to see where your video is. And you can also make the stats of your video publicly visible or not. So just go through those, make sure you set those to whatever you want, and of course, click save. When you go to your featured content page, this gives you 2 options. One is your channel ad. So if you don't add the channel trailer from the homepage of your channel like we learned before, this is another way to do it. Just click that button and choose your video. And then for featured content, this is video that will appear at the end of all of your videos. And you might see this when you're watching a YouTube video. You might see a little video pop up. You can choose the most recent upload, or you can choose a specific video or playlist. So if there's one video that is super popular, or perhaps a promotional video for one of your products or services, you might want to choose that video because then that will pop up on all of your videos. I have always chosen the most recent upload to just give people the most recent content that I've created. Because if they search for whatever keyword they're searching for, they find one of my older videos, I like having my recent videos pop up so that they know I'm creating more content. So I usually choose recent upload, but that's up to you. When you choose your featured video, you can choose when you want it to display. So you can choose a custom start time or at the end of video. I typically do it at the end of the video, and then I just choose optimized timing. YouTube takes care of it. Next and last for this video, we have branding. This is a watermark that shows in the bottom corner of your video. Click Add Watermark to select your image. It's best to choose an image with a transparent background so it appears nice and clean. One quick tip to get more subscribers is to choose a little subscribe image. So I've found one on Google, just in Google search. It's from Free Icons. So I've downloaded that one and I just search for subscribe button. So I'm going to choose that under my graphics, upload that, and click save. Now this little subscribe now button will pop up in the bottom corner of all my videos. And when people click on this watermark, whether it's a subscribe now button or an image of your face or your logo, it will take them to your channel page. And that's where people can actually subscribe. When you click save, you can see what it looks like. So that's kind of cool. And again, you can customize when this pops open. I like having it start at a custom time around 5 seconds or maybe even a little later, because it pops up and that is a little bit more eye-catching than if you have it just for the entire video. People might not notice it as much as if it does pop up. So that's just a quick little tip. Once you do have a lot of subscribers, it might be better to put your logo on there just to get people aware of your branding. Again, using simple logos, branding colors that we talked about earlier in this course. Thanks for watching this video. Now we have basically our channel set up. So in the next videos, we're going to be learning about uploading content and the best SEO practices for doing so.